So today we are going to change the headlight bulb of the Mito from a standard H7 to this LED light. So on the left side here I already installed LED, and today I'm going to show the right side since I just put another standard H7 in here. It is to notice that removing this is a lot easier to work here at the light. And on this side it's not really necessary. Some people remove the battery, but it's really not necessary because you have the space. Okay, so I'll first turn on the light and show you the difference. So now I turn the lights on, and as you can see, this is your normal yellow light. But on the other side we have our nice white LED light. So it's a lot better to drive, you see more, and yeah, basically everything is better. So yeah, let's turn it off again. So okay, what you'll need is, of course, LEDs. These are 10 bucks for two. I will leave a link down below. You will need, for the mito, you will need this adapter. And why is that? I'll show you that in a minute. And you can buy a wider dust cap. I will leave a link to that as well. So you don't have to use this dust cap. I will show you how I did it before I bought these. So first you're going to get to the light, and then here it's not this dust cap, but it's the lower dust cap. As you can see, there's a hole in it that's not supposed to be there. So I cut a hole in it with a knife so that it would have room to cool, because the normal dust cap will sit against this and will get really hot. So I use this. Only problem with this is if you are in a very moist environment, you are possibly going to get moist in here, and you don't want that. So I bought this one just to be sure. So next we are going to, as you can see, here's a light. So there's an adapter, so just turn and pull when it's loose. As you can see, this is your normal H12. Let's remove that out of the socket. If it works. Okay, so there's your standard H7, as you can see there. And now I'm going to show you why you need this. This is because you see here's a hole in it, and it will fit. It can pass through. However, the original adapter does not have a hole, only a fitting, because it only has to fit this thing and not this huge thing. So therefore is this adapter. So what you want to do is you want to do the following. You see here this black adapter, which is based off this thing. So you can turn it to the right and then take it off, just like that. Take it off. And now what you want to do is, as you can see, it will fit perfectly. So you are going to want to push this here, so just like this. Then you are going to want to take it like this, and then just put it over here. Oh wait, yeah, just put it on here. Just put it on here, just like that. Okay, so as you can see now it's loose. So you're going to want to find the turning spot again. Let me position the camera. So you just are going to want to find that turn again. While this is pushed down. So you're just going to want to do it like this, and then find the turning spot, and then let me get it. The best is with two hands like this, and then push it down. So push it down like this with two hands, and then have one strong hand, and then turn it. And now it's safe. As you can see, it's tight. It's tight. So the next thing you are going to want to do is you're going to want to hook it up. before you do anything else. So just grab the old connector here and put in put in the socket from the cable. However, you're going to put it on here first. Let me reposition the camera quick. So yeah, there are just 2 pins. Let me reposition. There are just 2 pins. You connect them. However, you may want to test it first, because you can put it in wrong. So let me test first if it works. So as you can see, it doesn't work because I put it in the wrong way. So I'm going to put it in the right way, and I'll be right back. So as you can see right now, I've put it in the right way and the fan is spinning and everything. So let me turn off the ignition and put it in its place. So yeah, I only turned off the light but not the ignition. So what you want to do first, it doesn't matter, this is stuck, so you want to first, you can leave this hanging here, you want to first get the standard connection, put it in here, and as you can see, you want to put it like this under the metal, so that's safely tucked away. And as you can see, it's now safely tucked away. And then you are going to put this in here. And then you are going to need to find the spot where you are going to need to turn it and get it stuck. And now it's tightened. Or not, let me guess. So I will turn it. And turn it, and oh yeah, it's stuck now. Can it get loose? It shouldn't get loose. I've driven with it around a few times and it's still stuck. So yeah, as you can see now it's stuck. And as I had before this old dust cap, you can do the same thing as I did. However, I won't recommend it because yeah, I think there can be moist in there. So you can just buy these. So I will leave the dimensions and a buying link down below, so you can just try this. If you aren't in a very moist environment, it should work fine. So yeah, so just do the cap back on. This cap, to get it on, is a little bit harsh because the rubber isn't really flexible. Okay, so yeah, grab your old light and let's see the result. So let's go to the front, and as you can see, we got nice white lighting. And as to mention, you don't have to remove anything, not the bumper, not the air filter. It's handy to remove the air filter if you can't get it done, because it's a little tight with your hands. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll be making another couple of videos about my Mito. And I just recently replaced the discs. As you can see, it's still pretty new. So I replaced the discs and the blocks as well, the brake pads as well. So yeah, there will be coming a lot more videos. So yeah, thank you, bye.